How to make a paper plane. Have you ever wanted to make a paper plane but you didn't know how? Well, now with these instructions you can make a glider and a simple stunt plane. A glider A4. Throw just a bit of force at about a 30 to 40 degree angle toward the sky. The dart, if made correctly, should be accurate and travel a long distance. Instructions to make a glider. Step 1. Fold a piece of A4 paper in half longways. Then fold the top corners down as shown. Step 2. Fold in the sides so that point A and B meet at the center crease. Step 3. Fold points C and D into the center as shown above. Step 4. Turn the model over and fold it in half longways. Step 5. Fold down the wings so that the edge of the wing meets the bottom or fuselage of the plane. Step 6. Now the plane is complete, so have fun flying it. For throwing suggestions, see the introduction of the glider. A stunt plane fool's cap. Loops. Throw the plane vertically with a fair amount of pressure. Circles. Hold the plane on its side and throw slightly upwards. Gliding. Throw the plane gently in the direction you want it to go. Instructions to make a stunt plane. Step 1. Fold and then unfold the following folds from A, D, B, C, and E, F. Step 2. Push point E to point F so that when completed it looks like the picture above. Step 3. Fold the triangular part at the top over. Step 4. Turn the plane over and fold points A and B into the center so that they touch. Step 5. Fold point C over so that it covers points A and B. Step 6. Turn the plane over again and fold it in half. Step 7. Fold down the wings so that their edges go down about 5 mm past the bottom of the plane. Step 8. The plane is completed. Why not try it out or take a look at the introduction for tips on throwing. Happy flying!